My name is Lauren Hudacik. I'm the CEO of Advanced Bioscience Laboratories, or ABL. We are a CDMO specializing in viral vectors and viral products. We also do a few other things. We have been around since 1961, so we're more than 60 years old. We started as a government contractor and have been continuing to service the U.S. government for all of this time, in addition to other industry, nonprofit, academic clients as well. We're currently working on a number of different programs. We have just recently finished a nanoparticle production. We have two poxvirus production programs in the works right now, as well as a herpes virus program. Certainly, our team has been working on a lentivirus vector platform, establishing that for ourselves so that we can share that with our clientele. And in addition to, again, a wide series of other viruses that we work on. Again, being a U.S. government contractor, we have a lot of breadth to the different types of virus projects that are requested of us. So a ton of exposure in that sense. And over 60 years, you end up seeing a lot. Highlights from the conference so far, it's been a great 3 days so far for the team here, in the exhibit hall. It's been fast-paced, lots of activity and good conversations happening so far. We're looking forward to a few talks from some of our colleagues that are happening over at the Technology Platform Center, and again, also for our scientists here to be attending some of the other presentations that are happening on the other floors.